Welcome to AI for Dummies, where we break down the basic concepts of artificial intelligence for everyone. No tech jargon needed. Let's start our journey into the world of artificial intelligence. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, it's about making machines smart enough to think and learn like humans. Why is AI so important today? It's transforming everything around us, from how we work to how we live, creating endless new possibilities. Now let's explore some of the core concepts that make AI work. Machine learning is how AI learns. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions by feeding it lots of data. Deep learning takes machine learning a step further, using complex neural networks to tackle even more challenging tasks, just like our brains do. Natural language processing, or NLP, is about teaching computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think chatbots and language translation. Computer vision is how AI sees the world, enabling machines to interpret and understand visual information from images and videos. AI isn't just in labs, it's all around us, making our daily lives easier. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized recommendations on Netflix and even self-driving cars, AI is already an integral part of our lives. AI helps us in many ways, from automating repetitive tasks to giving us personalized experiences, saving us time and making things more convenient. Ever wondered how AI actually works? Let's simplify the process. It all starts with data. AI systems are fed massive amounts of information, which they then process and organize. After processing, AI identifies patterns and relationships within the data, using these insights to make informed decisions. What's amazing is that AI systems continuously learn and improve over time, becoming smarter and more accurate with every interaction. Like any powerful technology, AI comes with both incredible advantages and important challenges. AI offers incredible benefits, boosting efficiency, driving innovation across industries, and opening up entirely new possibilities for the future. However, we must address the challenges, including ethical considerations, the impact on employment, and ensuring fairness to avoid bias in AI systems. In conclusion, AI is a powerful and rapidly evolving force. AI is here to stay, evolving at an incredible pace, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By understanding these basic concepts, you empower yourself to navigate and even contribute to this exciting AI-driven future. Thanks for watching.